Hello all. In this lecture video, I'm going to explain you the program status word register for 8051 microcontroller. As the name indicates program status word. It is a register. The register is nothing but it says the multi-bit information. Now this register is responsible for showing the various operations and their results in terms of flags. So this register together, it is totally a 16-bit register, out of which the 8 bits are containing the flags and 8 bits are the result which is inside the accumulator register of 8051. So the bitwise explanation is done over here. Now this bit is called as a PSW.7, that is MSB bit or the most significant bit. Then AC is auxiliary carry flag bit. It is a sixth bit of PSW. FO is PSW bit number 5, so on and so forth up to parity bit, which is the zeroth or LSB bit of PSW register. Now we'll see the one by one operation of each bit. Now the first bit is carry flag bit. This bit is mainly affected with the arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction. Auxiliary carry flag and carry flag both are having the same function but little bit difference. That difference I will just explain you over here. Suppose I want to add two 8-bit numbers 1100 1000 and second number is 1000 0111. So if I add these two numbers, so the this is 1, this is 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, this is 1, this is 0, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 here 0, and there is a carry generated. Okay. Now when this carry is generated, the carry flag inside the PS register will be set to 1. And when this, if it is not generated, else it will be 0. Now I'm just changing the information over here. Suppose instead of that 0, here it is a 1. So now this is D0 bit, this is D third bit, D1, D2 and D third bit. This is D fourth bit and this is D seventh bit. Now whenever suppose we carry the addition once again, I'll just clear this. Now in this situation, if I add these numbers, here 0 plus 1 is 1, everything is same, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. But this 1 plus 1 will have one answer of the sum will be 0 and carry will be generated over here. The moment the carry is generated over here, this bit will change to 1. So we'll just change it to 1. Now this carry is generated from D3rd to D4th bit. That means the lower nibble of data, lower 4 bit data to the upper 4 bit of data. This is called as lower nibble and this is called as upper nibble. So whenever there is a carry generated between from the lower nibble to upper nibble, then auxiliary carry flag will set to 1. And if it is not so, else it will be 0. So that is the meaning of the carry flag and auxiliary carry flag inside the PSW register. Our next bit in the PSW register is FO. This FO bit is basically utilized for user. It is utilized by the user for general purpose application. That means user can choose this F0 bit for setting any function or resetting any function for his or her own applications. Next bit is RS0 and RS1. Now this RS0 and RS1, these two bits are used in a pair. They are not used separately. And how they are responsible for? They are responsible for selecting any general purpose register inside the RAM of 8051. Now the truth table as per shown over here, RS0 and RS1, if these two bits are 0, that means the register bank from the RAM selected is a bank number 0. If this is 0 and this is 1, then bank selected is 1. And this is 1, this is 0, then the bank selected is second bank, so on and so forth. If both the registers are 1, if though both the bits are 1, Then the register bank selected is bank 3. What is the meaning of this? Let us have some explanation of this also. Inside of microcontroller, there are four register banks. Now these register banks are inside the RAM register. Depending upon this, assume that this is bank 0, this is bank 0, bank 1, bank 2, and bank 3. Rest of the area we are not considering at this moment. This bank will contain R0 to R7 register. This bank will contain R0 to R7 register. Likewise. So if I select RS1 equal to 0 and RS2 equal to 0, that means I am selecting bank 0. So if I write the instruction move A comma R2, that means this register R2 will be belonging to bank 0. So whatever the contents of that R2 register will be copied inside the accumulator. So that is the explanation related to RS0 and RS1 bits inside the PSW register. Now let us see the next bit inside the flag register, that is OV. It is simply if any arithmetical or logical operations uh, result when it is stored inside the accumulator and that result is more than 8 bit, then to indicate that data is more than 8 bit, the overflow flag will set to 1. So in simple way, if accumulator contain data which is more than 8 bit, data is larger than 8 bit, in that case the overflow flag will set to 1, else it will be 0, else it will be 0. So this is about this overflow flag. Now the next flag you see over here, it is unused flag. That means it is reserved for the future purpose. So this bit is basically blank. We can write anything 1 or 0 over here. The LSB bit of the PSW register contains the parity flag. Now basically what is a parity? Parity is nothing but number of ones in a given data byte. So that can be explained. Suppose I have a data here 110110111. So I have to count how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if this number of ones are 1, then we call this total number of ones in this data are 6. And 6 is nothing but a even number. 6 is nothing but it is the even number. So for that the parity flag will be set to 1. Now if I change the information, say I change the data bit over here and I will replace that with the number 0, sorry 1. Let me change the data. Suppose this is 1, 1, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 1. Now the total number of 1 inside this data bit is the total number of data bits inside this information. The total numbers are 7 and 7 is a odd number. And for odd number, the parity flag will be equal to 0. It will set to 0. That means after performing any arithmetical and logical operation, if the number of ones are even, then parity flag will set to 1. And if the number of if the number of ones are odd, then parity flag will set to 0. So this is the complete detailed explanation about the program status word register. Why it is called the program status word register? Because it indicates or reflects the status of the content inside the accumulator register. And this register totally comprises of 16 bit. That those 16 bit will be, there will be 8 bits for this PSW, that is flag, and the 8 bits will be of accumulator register. So these are the 8 bits and these are the 8 bits. So total the PSW width is 16 bits. Total width of this PSW register is 16 bits. Thank you very much.